My people are hello. Today we dey cook banga. Sure they like am. Me they like banga. It don't taste since I don't cook am. So I think say make I cook am, make I upload am, make you see am. Now so we go do. I don't dey cook the palm fruits now. Now the palm oil, the base be that. It don't separate now as I dey see am for red on top. I don't say it don't do. I don't cook fish already. This fish I don't just cook am now. Almost say am now. Now fish be that. And I don't already cook meat for pot. Shey dey see am. So first of all, make I just add small stock, very small inside. Just give am flavor, if you smell the thing, no be small matter. Give am small stir. I don't dey stir am be that. Oh yeah now. So next now the iru. The iru now I won't cook. See the iru. Very nice. So the iru now dey inside. Oh yeah. That now the iru. Oh yeah. If you smell the aroma, that will not be small matter. It smell fine. Not be small at all. This now my crayfish and my banga. And that chicken. Give them small stir. Oh yeah, no, it smells nice, Jerry. Not be say anything. It smells sweet. I just gotta let them gist very small together, This one, now the bitter leaf. I don't wash and prepare them already. Come out the sand from inside. Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, no. I know say some people do it another way, but I like to do it like this because I know say this way I could get the better flavor where me personally I like. I know say if you do it for Nigeria, they go do it in a different way, add different spice, etc. Oh yeah, no. That one as you do like this, hi, it smells sweet. It's not be saying anything, it's sweet, well. May I enter the mix? Oh yeah, this mix, Now, if you use lamb or anyone where you like, this one are lamb. Some people they choose beef, but me I like ham with lamb. My plenty food. You know, say this one go feed many people. Not be only meal. Oh yeah. My sweets, my dear. Sherry, make I put time. This one it takes time small, but you know say the time where it take worth it, well. Even the palm oil serve, you don't stain this my Oyibo skin well today, not be say anything. Don't stain now, finish. My babe, really finished. Make sure everything enter. I beg keep the water aside. Maybe you're gonna need them very soon. Just leave them for there for now. Stir them together. The music, what in they worry on? Then the fish. See the fish where we don't do. Enter that one as well. I better banga be this one. Shake it now. See the banga. Show you see them. Na banga soup be that. It don't finish. Hey, yeah, I can't wait. Make a jump am.